Hi there, I would like to introduce you to a fantastic new feature that Roveel has to offer. This is suitable for all accountants, external accountants, practices, but also in-house accountants, management accountants, bookkeepers, finance directors, and ultimately anybody in the business who uses a profit and loss account. So that may be the managing director, CEO as well. So Roveel has worked with customers over a number of years. We understand the pain points. We understand the frustration of coding expenses into the wrong heading, or a predecessor has coded something like advertising into a cost of sales code rather than into as an overhead. And what we're able to do now is we're able to take a mapping, much like you would in Excel. Many use Excel still to do their reporting, and have a mapping which takes the nominal code, maps it to a category, and then shows it somewhere on the P&L. What we now are able to do is take that mapping from you, automate that process, and make your reports truly dynamic. So what I now want to show to you is some of the features and functionality that exists within Roveel today that we would work with you directly on. So here I've got an example of one of our tables, a quarterly budget P&L. Here we can see the individual quarters, so we've got all of those loaded in. And it's as quick to go back. You can go back, as far as the data allows. In this example, back to 2015. So I'd literally click that. It will take you straight through to the information. If you wanted to do that in Excel, you would have to rerun a whole load of reports and go back and all of that pain. So this budget P&L allows you it keeps the same functionality that our standard P&L has, where you can right-click, show transactions, and drill into the underlying information. You've got the various nominals within that, so you can drill down at nominal level. You can again drill into the transactions at nominal level. Over on the right-hand side, we've got three dots. We can expand all of the category headings out to what we call level 1, which is that first level. So product sales, refunds, credit charges, other income. Or you can expand it out to level 2, which expands everything out at nominal level. Okay, or obviously collapse all. In addition to that, over on the same three dots, we've got the ability to export out into Excel. It takes the format of what you see on screen, puts it into Excel, keeps the formatting. So if you'd expanded out the overheads, expanded out payroll, and hit export, it would bring exactly what you see on screen out into Excel. So that's the export, and there's an export to CSV function as well. On screen, you can see the budgets, budget information. We either pull that through straight from the finance software, or crucially now we can import those straight into Roveel. Those budgets can be set at departmental level. I know some software platforms you have to input those in manually. If you want to do departmental at nominal level, that's quite a challenge. Inside Roveel, we've got an import template. You complete the template, we import it in, and then you can track your budgets against there. I mentioned departmental. Got departmental filters. You can slice and dice, aggregate up various different departments. There I could select 3, hit apply, off I go. It would pull all that information through. There's a quick overview of all of the information that is on screen. We've got the ability to hide various headings as well. So there's 3 dots here. You can go in, you can turn off budgets if I don't want the budget information there, add it back in, remove the variance, get it looking how you want it. Use it on screen or export it out into Excel, and again you'll see the export mirroring what you see on screen. So to sum it up, it's a very powerful P&L report. Budgets included. The same technology obviously applies to the balance sheet as well, and any financial dashboard. If you'd like to find out more, check out Roveel.com. Pick up the phone and have a chat with one of us. Thank you.